where he's from, his biography, and his achievement in the gospel music industry. Frank Edward is really blessed.
Frank Edward is an Igbo Nigerian contemporary Christian singer, songwriter, and recording artist from Enugu in Enugu State. He's the founder and owner of the record label Rocktown Records, which is his home to recording artists such as Edward himself. Edward is a singer, songwriter, worship leader, musician, producer, sound engineer. He plays the piano, keyboards, drums, and the guitar.
Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
Wow, that is beautiful. But you need to know Frank Edward Elila. You'll be asking questions. Who is he? Does he have families? His position in the family?